brushes. It's their Eco Wheel Cleaner. I got it off of Amazon for about $15. Got to meet it up the next day, so I'm happy with that. It's a little pricier for a wheel cleaner, so I really wanted to put it to test for you all. I know some of you are curious about if it really works or not, so hopefully this video helps you find that out. Alright guys, so let's go over the instructions for it real quick. It says clean one wheel at a time, rinse the wheel with a powerful blast from a hose. Spray the wheel surface liberally with Adam's Eco Wheel Cleaner. After cleaner is applied to the wheel. Agitate. I want to try it without agitating just to see how well it does, and then I'll do another wheel with agitation just so I can see the differences. Because I want to see if this is like a kind of wheel cleaner that I could just throw on before I'm going to a meet or something like that, and see how good it looks. After that, rinse thoroughly with each wheel. Make sure the wheels aren't hot. Try to do it in the shade if you can, and then just dry wheels with whatever you have. Alright, so for the first wheel I'm just going to spray it on there. I'm not going to agitate, just want to see how well it does. I'll probably let it sit for about a minute. It doesn't have any instructions on how long to let it sit, so we'll see how it does after a minute. Alright, so it's been about a minute. Let's spray it off, see how it does. Alright, so just keep in mind I haven't washed my wheels in a few weeks now. Get a nice close-up. It seems to have knocked off a lot of the surface, but I think with this wheel cleaner it's definitely needed for you to agitate. As where with some of the other ones, it would just bite a lot of that rust right off. Alright, so here I've done some light agitation on the wheels to get it sprayed off. One thing I forgot to mention earlier is that on the bottle it says it's really important that you don't let the product completely dry onto the wheel. I think it has something to do with making it basically cake on there with the product sitting in the corners and stuff like that. So let's get this sprayed off and see how it looks. Alright, so I would say even on the same wheel I can definitely tell a difference with just some light agitation that I've done in the corners and throughout the different crevices that my wheels have and stuff.